VisionAutoworks here with an Acura RSX 2002 to 2004 headlight package finished up. These were built on brand new JDM or black housing style headlights included in the package. Customer went with the Morimoto Mini H1 8.0 by Bixenon projectors, and we used the Bullet 1.0 shrouds to cover the projectors. Pretty clean and simple setup here, no extra frills or cosmetics, just pure functional setup. We're going to light up the HIDs right now. So our packages always come with the Morimoto XB35 HID kit, which includes a set of bulbs in your choice of color temperature, a set of XB35 ballasts, and a plug-and-play HD relay harness. You can order a package like this on our website, VisionAutoworks.com. If you have any questions, you can reach us by email, give us a call, or shoot us a text.